Cloudvue Access Control has different subscription types, each suited to a different use. This video will prepare you for discussions with your dealer or integrator on the requirements and subscriptions available. Cloudvue supports two methods of access control. The first method is through a traditional controller-based configuration with a panel such as the Cantech KT1 single-door controller, in which a central panel connects to a reader and optional request to exit or door contact devices. The second method, called panelless access control, uses no control panel. Instead, a Cantech IO Smart Reader communicates with user smartphones. The smartphone communicates with both the reader and Cloudvue to grant access to a door. The more traditional panel-based setup provides greater flexibility in installation, configuration, and user access methods, while the panelless setup is less expensive or may be considered more suitable to smaller deployments, but offers fewer access methods and configuration options. An enrolled access control panel like the Cantech KT1 will need a subscription for the hardware controller to operate with Cloudvue. When logging into your Cloudvue account, find your subscriptions by clicking the account icon from the right-hand menu. Then click the Subscriptions tab. Subscriptions for controllers like the KT1 are listed under the AMS Controller Managed Access section. For a site with 3 KT1 controllers in use, the account will need a quantity of 3 shown here. The KT1 controller permits the use of traditional access keycards or fobs for user access. Once purchased, these cards and fobs require no further subscriptions for use. Cloudvue also offers the ability to allow users to gain access with the Cloudvue Access mobile app, using their iOS or Android smartphone as their access key. Each mobile credentialed user of the site will need a licensed seat. Mobile credentials allow users to unlock doors using the Cloudvue Access mobile app on their validated smartphone device. Seats are subscribed to in quantities of 10 and shown above in the AMS Mobile Access section. Because seats are subscribed and not consumable, these may be managed by the administrator of your account, removing one credentialed user and allotting their seat to another user if they desire. The Mobile Credential User Seats pack allows each credentialed user to gain entry with the mobile app. A single user at a site with a KT1 controller installed could use this option for mobile convenience and still use a keycard, because as mentioned earlier, keycards don't require any subscriptions. The Mobile Smart Key User Seats pack provides mobile smart key seats only. In other words, these are used when a group of users will only have the ability to gain entry by using the Cloudvue Access mobile app. These users would have no keycards or fobs. When a site is using only panelless readers, this is the required method for accessing doors. This could also be used for sites with KT1 controllers, but only if the mobile app was the only method of entry used. The Mobile Dual User Seats pack provides users the use of the Cloudvue Access smartphone app to gain entry with IO Smart Readers connected to the KT1 controller, but also with mobile-only panelless readers. This option is for site environments which mix controller-based KT1 readers with panelless readers. Now let's summarize this information and why you may choose one device or access method over another. A panel-based controller permits multiple access methods: keycards, fobs, mobile apps. It can be powered by PoE, provides flexible installation options, and supports many card and reader formats. A panelless reader needs no hardware subscription, but requires the use of the mobile app and subscription seats for access. Cannot use keycards or fobs, is not powered by PoE, and has a slightly different installation since there is no panel. The use of mobile credentials help avoid problems with lost or damaged keycards and fobs, and provides the ability to instantly and remotely revoke access.